Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where Doris is today. So today is the 13th of March. Is it 14 or 13? 14, sorry. 14 my time. Um, but anyways, the rainbow is here. So every single rainbow weather is different. It can spawn somewhere else. If it spawns here, for instance, you will find Doris at the end of the rainbow. So just find where the rainbow is and you'll find Doris there. But I will show you the specific location anyways, just in case you don't want to really look for her. So as you can see, Doris is here and she is at the end of the rainbow, but this is where she is exactly. This is her exact location for today. And this is where she is. So again, you can purchase some sugars and whatnot. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!